Good morning to the community of TVisions around the world and to every other person listening wherever you are, whatever your time zone. Good morning to you, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I am Olorunlogo Anyide, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the economic developer in the community of TVisions around the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. This morning, I just want to do a quick one to encourage for as many who are yet to key into the ongoing 1000 promo. Guys, 2000 is better than 1000. The opportunity is there again. We have just few days to go. Hmm. Just few days to go. Don't lose this opportunity. Within these next 3 days, I want you to do all within your best. Key into this opportunity and register for this 1000 promo. Pay your annual program fee. Then you will be rewarded with 1000 coins, and by August you will still get additional 1000 coins plus all your monthly 100 TBC coins. So guys, hmm, it will be very difficult after after this the billionaires distribution period to get even one TBC. It is better to pay the sacrifice now. Yes, it is better to sow the seed now. And guess what? You will have enough abundance to harvest tomorrow. So, guys, do all your best and key into this opportunity. It's a life changing opportunity. Things are getting better day by day in the community. So, guys, get active, get active, get active. And not just active, very active. I love you all. Thank you, God. Wish you a wonderful Tuesday. Bless you all. I want you to like and subscribe to this channel. Bless you for subsequent broadcasts. Okay,